guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you some slimes from the 99-cent store. Only from the 99-cent store. We got 4 to show. And let's start off with this one, since this one we have to add water. And I want to, get this one out the way first. So this one is Ooze Barf, and it's from Moose. Their company is from Moose. And yeah, this is $1. It says just add water to magic form. And this is all it comes with. It's done some instructions in the whole entire box. Okay. I don't know how much water to add. Let's see. So we got our bowl here. Now we're gonna get our ball slime. Got it open. And then we got our water here. We're gonna add 1 cup of water. Then we have to stir for Okay, so we're done with the barf slime. It's like you need more activators, so it could be slime. It's like halfway trying to be slime, but it's not, It's just like boogers, but lots of boogers. And it also feels like instant snow is in there. Like they added a bit of instant snow into the slime. See those chunks? It like feels nice, but it's not like good to poke. It's good to stretch, but not with 2 hands. And in the packaging, you see someone taking a bath in it. This kid. Next up is gonna be this one. I feel like this one's gonna be those flarbs, the ones that are like jiggly but not really pokeable, but just inside a toilet. And this one's from Orbs. Yeah, the company's right here with all these other companies. So let's open this one up. Okay, this is how it looks like. It has no logos, it just has that. And let's open it and see what it is. What color do you think it is? Could be like, I feel like it's green. Yep, it is green. It just doesn't open. It's just a purple toilet seat with yellow top. Everything's in here. Okay, so this one's not really that good. I don't really like the slime texture that much. So I'll probably give this a 3 out of 10, but I like the container it's in, so that's why it gets a 3 out of 10. The next one we're trying is this one. I got 2 of the same types, but this one says is metallic cool effects. So that's why I got this one, because it was like a different type. but still from the same company, from Orbs and Joker and Slime. From that one. I feel like it's gonna be the same as the toilet because the companies sometimes like to do the same. Okay, here's the slime. Okay, this one feels different. This one feels like the Flark slime, like the ones in those containers. It can't really do popping sounds. It's stretchy. Let's see if it smells. Smells like nothing. It probably just smells like chemicals they put in to make the slime. Okay, let's see if it does a flarping sound. Yeah, it does. This is like kind of like a neon color. It's really nice. Look at the screen. Okay, let's move on to the last slime. This is going by super fast because like and yeah, these are all $1. This side. Yeah, it does have metallic. You can't really see it on camera. Yeah, just like a bit metallic. Yeah, see it like this. And it has the same feeling as the yellow one. This one I just showed you. I don't really like these types of textures because they do this. Yeah. Doesn't even poke, as always. But I'll probably rate this 4 out of 10 just because of the different color it has. And the other one I rated a 3. Okay, these are the slimes I showed. It was the metallic, this neon yellow, the toilet seat, and the barf. And I'm gonna show you. Let's see if it like became slime, like better slime than before. You ready to see it? Right here. Okay. Yes, it became thicker. I probably like this one better than all of them just because it has a different texture than all of them. You can't really play with it, but it's like fun to just pull it up, you know.